This 2027 Grech RV Vacanza-ion 19 AWD TOUR is a Class B RV. It is located in Sandy, Oregon, 97055 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grech RV is 19 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2 and 16 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features mid-bath, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2027 Grech RV Vacanza-ion 19 AWD TOUR and is powered by a MB4 SIL high-output engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.